Hey, all, Bryden, Home by the Foot, and Remax Central Real Estate. Time for a quick market update looking back at the month of August. So the summer has ended, though tell that to the weatherman because these temperatures coming in the next week are going to be fairly intense. But what the summer did is it showed the mark cooling off a bit, and that is pretty typical for any summer. We've all got our mind on other things other than real estate. So the amount of people out there looking has dropped, the amount of listings has dropped. And what the net effect of that over July and August was, to quote my almost 21-month-old, the prices dropped a little bit. Don't expect that to continue because the Bank of Canada has been nice and for the third consecutive time here yesterday dropped the interest rates with expectations that more drops are to come. So even though the prices dropped a little bit, it is still favoring the seller because historically there's usually a lot more listings available out there. And though we have gained quite significantly as far as the amount of listings, we're nowhere near where it used to be. There is a pretty strong dividing line also at the $600,000 mark. And that's sort of the sign of affordability. If it's above 600,000, you're in a lot more of a balanced market. And if you're below 600, it still heavily favors the seller. But it is nowhere near as bad as it has been in the last couple of years. Gone, for the most part, are the heavy multiple offer situations. So, what I expect to come is, more interest rates drops are going to be continuing till the end of the year. What that's going to do is make things a little bit more affordable for people, so more people are going to be jumping into the market. That in itself could lead to a stronger seller's market. So now you're in a perfect bubble for the next couple of months from a buyer standpoint where you still got more listings coming on board and less sellers. So now's the time to strike. Now, if you're selling, it is still a strong seller's market. So my advice is get it on, get it out there. We make sure it's priced accurately because compared to historical numbers, you've got far less competition out there and there's more and more people coming on the market as the interest rates drop. So it's actually a really nice situation to be in right now. Balance is starting to come into the market. As soon as we get into the new year, that's when things will start taking off again with, I think there's going to be a little bit more of a frenzy, though nowhere near as what we got the last 2 years. So now is the time, guys. Contact information is all over this email. Get a hold of me. We'll talk to you soon.